Guys, what's going on? It's Mark. How's everybody doing? Check this out. Behind me is an absolutely beautiful truck. An emerald green lifted 2012 F-150 XLT FX4 5.0 liter 4x4 beast of a truck. First thing we're going to start off with is the stance. Beautiful stance. It's got a BDS suspension lift kit system, 6-inch BDS lift kit. And this is rolling, or rocking and rolling, on a set of Cooper Discover MTP tires. They're a 35, 12, 50, 20 on a Fuel 20 by 10 octane. Nice little setup, doesn't rub or hit against the fender or front bumper, whatever. Full turn right, full turn left. It fits perfect, and it was built well for that reason of right here. Awesome truck. We did get a few things fixed on it. We got the famous gas flap door that are famous for hanging off. You've probably seen a few of them dangling. Had to buy a kit, and the kit wasn't too bad. It's like 15, 20 bucks, but it works great. Spray and bed liner right here. That's my scooter right there. Backup camera, dual exhaust system. Sounds phenomenal. I'll show you here in a second. And the tires, I want to say probably 40%, 50% tread. The truck is from Texas, as you can see, straight out of Dallas, Texas. No rust on this frame. Keypad with the locks right here. You can lock it, unlock it from the keypad. Boom, 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 unlock. So as you can see, absolutely beautiful. Very dusty down there, but there's the BDS suspension lift kit. A few scratches and dents, a little bit of, I guess you'd say hail, nothing too crazy though. Scratch right there. It's a used truck, you know? So anywho, beyond that, it's a beautifully used truck. The frame is absolutely gorgeous. I can't stop looking at that. Beautiful frame, no rust. Interior, show you guys the rear. You got a little stain on the seat back there. Overall though, clean and nice. Smells good inside. Tinted windows. And you got a third bench row, or bench seat right here with the little lever you can push back and control up or down. If I can get the damn thing back. So 3 people sit up front with your homegirl, your homeboy, put your dog in the middle, who cares? Backup cameras incorporated into the mirror. You got your electronic trailer brake controller, 4-wheel drive right there. AC blows ice cold. All your CD changes and Bluetooth and whatnot. Controls on the steering wheel work great. Electric windows and power locks. Show you guys, no rust at the bottom of the door jambs too. Really nice and clean. Top of the truck is good. As you can see, mileage, 146,950 maintained miles. Just got an inspection. We got to go back for re-inspect after we get the tailpipe and muffler welded on. And we should be good to go. Here's the VIN number. If you guys have any questions about it, check this truck out. You can visit superiorwholesale.org or call 540-898-3025. We'll check out the power plant too. Let's pop the hood and show you guys what's going on. So, like foot pedal brake or foot pedal thing right there, you can adjust the foot pedals. This was an old, like, I don't know, fog light switch somebody had wired up at one point. I don't know. Whatever you want to use it for, that's up to you. Here's the front right here. Power plant, bone stock under here, guys. 5.0 liter, runs and drives great, reliable, and maintained. So, it's a nice truck. Brand new fog lights we put in because the fog lights were faded yellow. So these are brand new with the brand new housing, both sides. Drive straight, and it is a good running truck. So if you guys have any questions, want to check it out more, listen to the end of this video for the acceleration. If you've seen the beginning of this video too, call 540-898-3025 or visit superiorwholesale.org. Hope you guys like the video. Subscribe, share the videos. Thanks. Peace out. See ya.